I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. Hi and welcome to the channel. Firstly, let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the E minor, composed of the E, the G, and the B, and the bass note of E. Then you're gonna have the D major, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then G major, composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. Then the C major, composed of the C, the E, and the G, and the bass note of C. Then A major, composed of the C sharp, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. Then we have the A minor, composed of the C, the E, and the A, and the bass note of A. And final chord, the B minor, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and with the bass note of B. As usual, feel free to download the PDF file associated with this song so that you have an even better understanding of the chords. Let's begin by the introduction of the song, so let me display the table for you. So take the first chord, E minor, and play it like this. 1, 2. And do the same thing for the D major. So 1, 2, and then G major 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The whole table would therefore give you this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And right after this introduction, you will be able to use the same table but without the 3 last chords so that you can play the first verse. Directly with the lyrics, here's how it should sound. Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? And repeat. Oh, do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? And repeat again, okay? So you have just played this table twice, so to play the whole verse, just play the table 4 times in total. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So after Bradley's verse, there's gonna be a little interlude that you will play using this short table. So it goes the same way. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat 1 last time. And then you will reach Lady Gaga's verse and you're gonna be able to use the same table as well as the same method. Tell me something, boy. Aren't you tired trying to fill that void? And just repeat. Or do you need more? And it hard keeping it so hardcore. Okay, and repeat this table 2 more times to finish Lady Gaga's verse. And after that, you will reach the pre-chorus, and this time the order of the chords is going to be different. And also notice that the A minor finally showed up. Directly with the lyrics, it should sound like this. I'm off the deep end, watch as I dive in. I'll never meet the ground. And repeat the table. Crash through the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow, and repeat again for the chorus. In the shallow, in the shallow, again. In the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to reach the bridge where Lady Gaga is going to sing, oh, okay? So that part. So let me display the corresponding table for you. So it would go like this. And then chorus again, which you will play using the corresponding table and eventually finish the song. I wish you good luck and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.